Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about multiplication by box method. Multiplication can also be done by box method. Let us see how. Rizwan's daily wages is rupees 325. He works for 9 days. Rizwan's daily wages is rupees 325. He works for 9 days. Let us find how much money does he earn if he worked for 9 days. So, we are going to multiply 325 and 9 using box method. In the number 325, we have 3 numbers. So, we have to put 3 boxes, that is 3 columns. 325 has 3 numbers. So, we have to put 3 columns. Column number 1, 2 and 3. 9 is a number with 1 digit. So, we have to put 1 row. This is a row. We call this as row and this as column. So, we have drawn 1 row. Column 1, column 2, column 3. 3 columns and a row. We have to expand 325. We can expand 325 as 300 plus 20 plus 5. Now write 9 here near to the box. I have expanded 325. We have got 320 and 5. We have to write 9 here. Now we have to multiply 9 with 5, 20 and 300. Multiply 9 and 5. I am writing this box. 9 into 5 is 45. 9 into 20. First multiply 9 and 2 alone. 9 2s are 18. We have a 0 here, so add 0. We can multiply 9 and 20 as. First we have to multiply 9 and 2 alone. 9 2s are 18. We have skipped the 0. So, we have to add 0 in our answer. This is the short way of multiplying. Here we are going to multiply 9 and 3 alone. 9 3s are 27. We have to add 2 zeros. Because in 300 we have 2 zeros. If we have 0 continuously, we can do like this. We have to multiply 9 and 3 and write in this box and add 2 zeros. Because in 300 we have 2 zeros. I have written 9 into 5 here, 9 into 20 here, 9 into 300 here. Now we have to add these 3 numbers, that is 2700, 180 and 45. We have to add these 3 numbers. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 8 plus 4 is 12. So, write 2 here and 1 is carried to next place. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Here we do not have any number, so write 2 as it is. So, the answer is 2925. Now, we are going to solve exercise 4.3. The first one is multiply the following numbers using box method. 153 into 8. We have 3 numbers in 153. So, we have to put 3 columns. Three columns and 1 row, because 8 is having only 1 digit. So, we have to put 1 row, 3 columns. Now, we have to expand 153. We can expand it as 100 plus 50 plus 3 and write 8 near to the first box. We have to multiply 8 and 3 and write it in the first box. 3 8s are 24. So write 24 in the first box. Next we are going to multiply 8 and 50 and write it in the second box. 5 8s are 40. Here we have a 0, so add 1 0. If we have 0, we can leave the 0 and multiply 8 and 5 alone. 5 8s are 40. Write 40 and add 1 0 because we have left a 0 in 50. So we have to add 1 0. Next we have to multiply 8 and 100 and write in the third box. So we are going to skip the 2 zeros and multiply 8 and 1 alone. 1 into 8 is 8. We have skipped 2 zeros, so we have to add 2 zeros in the box. Now we have to add 800, 400 and 24. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 153 into 8 is 1224. The next question, 358 into 9. In 358 we have 3 numbers. So we have to put a box with 3 columns. We have to expand 358. We have to expand it as 350 and 8. We have to write 9 near to the first box. 9 8s are 72. So write 72 in the first box. 9 5s are 45. So write 45 in the second box and add 0 because we have left the 0 while multiplying 9 and 5. 9 5s are 45. So write 45 and put the 0 here. 9 3s are 27. Put 2 zeros next to 7. We can skip the 0 and multiply 9 and 3 alone. 9 3s are 27. Now add 2 zeros because we have 2 zeros in 300. So we have to add 2 zeros. Now add 2700, 450 and 72. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. So carry 1 to next place. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So write 2 here and carry 1 to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 358 into 9 is 3222. Next we are going to multiply 475 and 8. In 475 we have 3 numbers. So we have to put a box which has 3 columns. Now split 475. That is, we have to expand 475. We can expand it as 400 plus 70 plus 5. Write 8 near to the first box. 5 8s are 40. 7 8s are 56. Add 1 0. 8 4s are 32. Add 2 zeros. Multiply 8 and 5 and write in the first box. 8 and 70 and write it in the second box. and 8 and 400 and write it in the third box. If we have 0, we can skip it and add it with the answer. Here also the same. We can skip the zeros and add it in the answer. Now we have to add 3200, 560 and 40. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Here we don't have any number, so write 3 as it is. 475 into 8 is 3800. The second question is, find the product of the following numbers using the box method. For box method, we have to put this box and write the numbers in the expanded form and multiply the numbers. First we are going to multiply 226 and 8. 226 has 3 numbers. So we have to draw a box which has 3 columns. Next we have to expand 226 as 220 and 6. We have to write 8 near the first box. Multiply 6 and 8. 6 8s are 48. So write 48 in the first box. In 20 we have 1 0. Skip that 0 and multiply 8 and 2. 8 2s are 16. Now add 1 0. We have added the 0 in the 20. Here we have to skip 2 zeros and multiply 8 and 2. 8 2s are 16. Add 2 zeros. You should not forget to add zeros after writing in the box. We have skipped 2 zeros and multiplied 8 and 2. 8 2s are 16. Write it in the third box and add 2 zeros. Now add 1600, 160 and 48. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried to next place. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Here we don't have any number, so write 1 as it is. So the answer is 1808. We have to multiply 345 and 6. 345 has 3 digits. So we have to put a box which has 3 columns. Next we have to expand 325. We can expand it as 300 plus 40 plus 5. Write 6 near to the first box. Now multiply 6 and 5 and write it in the first box. 6 5s are 30. Write it in the first box. Skip the 0 and multiply 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24. Write it in the second box and add 1 0. Next skip 2 zeros in 300 and multiply 3 and 6 alone. 6 3s are 18. Write it in the third box and add 2 zeros. Now add 1800, 240 and 30. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 345 into 6 is 2070. The third question is, check if the following multiplication is correct. If not, find the incorrect number and replace them with the correct ones. Now multiplication is done using box method. We have to check whether it is correct or not. 394 has 3 numbers. So we have to draw a box which has 3 columns. It is drawn correctly. We have to expand 394 as 390 and 4. It is also done correctly. We have to write 3 near to the first box. It is also done correctly. 4 into 3 is 12. It is written correctly in the first box. 9 3s are 27. We have to add 1 0. It is also done correctly. 3 into 3 is 9 and we have to add 2 zeros and write it in the third box. This is also done correctly. Now we have to add 900, 270 and 12. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 1 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. Here you can see that the answer is given as 1182, but the correct answer is 1182. The answer given is 1181, but the correct answer is 1182. So change it as 1182. We have corrected the incorrect answer. Thank you, students.